Greetings from Blast It All here in Salisbury, North Carolina. We'd like to introduce you to the newest member of our family. This is a Blast It All Series BIA 60-inch cube cabinet. We've gone through this machine and we've put a lot of thought in it, and we have some innovative new features that are now going to set the standard for the industry for cube pressure blast systems. So we'd like to walk around, show you some of those features, and introduce you to what you can expect when you purchase a Blast It All product. For years, Blast It All has offered a high capacity glove to help with people of different heights, sizes, to give them room to move around and plenty of room to manipulate parts while you're blasting. But these gloves are our new pop-in style. They simply snap into place and are easy to change. This does two things. It allows separate operators to have their own gloves. During these times, we all know about hygiene. So each operator can walk up to the machine, pop their own gloves in, and go to work. These pop-in high-capacity gloves will also fit our older high-capacity glove openings. They'll simply snap in. There's no additional plates that need to be added to the machine or any modification whatsoever. You buy the new glove, you take it to the machine, you pop it in, and you go to work. Another thing we've done, as you can tell, it's a little weird looking, but we've angled the armholes. And what that's going to do is for smaller people or shorter operators who have narrower shoulders, it's going to give them room to get in there and move around, whereas the taller folks have a wider shoulder and they can get in and have plenty of room to move around. As with all of our Blast It All series cabinets, we have a double walled door. It includes the beveled edge on the bottom so that media doesn't collect there. Double gasketed door and a knife edge seal. And one other thing that we've made standard on now our cube cabinets is a double latch closure that ensures of a good seal and a tight fit once the door is closed. Next thing we're going to show you is our new standard for Blast It All cube cabinets, 24-inch by 30-inch viewing window. It's huge. Gives you plenty of room to see inside the cabinet. And another thing that is included, this is laminated glass as opposed to tempered glass. Tempered glass, I'm sure if you've ever seen when it's broken, it shatters into thousands of little bitty shards and pieces. Laminated glass, however, when broken, will not fall into the cabinet, it won't foul the media system, and it won't come out and go all over the floor and create a hazard for workers. We've also included our 24-inch Mylar dispenser. Just like the standard on all of our Blast It All cabinets, we have a roll of 24-inch Mylar that slides behind the window and protects it from the blast overspray and rebound of blast media into the window, causing it to get frosted over. As with all of our Blast It All series blast cabinets, not just the cube series, the pressure cabinets have a top entry hose arch. This hose arch relieves the weight of the hose so that the operator can manipulate and blast as safely as possible and not have to bear the weight of the hose while they're blasting. Next feature that is going to be standard on all of our Blast It All cube cabinets is going to be our 8300 Lumen adjustable, dimmable LED light fixture. It's very bright, provides tons of light to see inside the cabinet, and like I said, it's dimmable. And it can also change the light colors for the operator so that they can be comfortable with the light they're using. We'll show you how to do that right now. We've installed a wireless dimmer switch that's attached to the new LED light. And with the dimmer switch, we can raise and lower the intensity of the light inside the cabinet, as well as change the color to an amber, a blue, a gray. And this allows the operator to choose the light that they can see best in. I want to show you just a couple of the optional items we have on this machine that are highly recommended. The first, we have a remote blowdown. This allows the operator to blow down the pressure vessel, taking pressure off of it and using the blast hose as a blow-off hose to get media, dust, and anything else off the part after being blasted. Another option we have on this BIA 60 cube cabinet is the optional 36 inch by 36 inch service door. This allows you access to the cabinet from the other side. Again, it's double wall door, beveled edge on the bottom, knife edge seal, double latch. We would recommend this cabinet have the optional turntable. Also, we offer the optional cam down turntable and track. As you can see, it's a large work area, and being able to access the part and blast turntables are highly recommended. With this system, we've paired it with our 900 CFM reclaim, and in the reclaim, we've added the optional urethane liner. Urethane liner comes down to the inner cone, which you can see inside the reclaim. Protects the reclaim against wear from aggressive medias like aluminum oxide or silicon carbide, things like that. Blasted all pressure systems include trash screen drawers. The trash screen drawer sifts out all the trash from the blast process and keeps it out of your good media. The good media will flow down into the 1 cubic foot pot for reuse and blasting. One item of interest that's come up here recently, I've had customers call in referring to the brands of our competitors and asking why they can't see during the blast process inside the cabinet. There's so much dust that they can't see what's going on. The major reason for this is an undersized dust collector. Here at Blasted All, we oversize dust collectors to make sure you can see while you're blasting, no matter what media you're using. This is a 1200 CFM M6 dust collector. As you can see, it's got front load cartridges. It's an automatic pulse dust collector, which means we have a reverse pulse that cleans the cartridges automatically. The timer board sets the pulse duration. It also sets the pulse frequency, and we can adjust that. So there you have it, the Blasted All BIA 60-inch cube cabinet, made here in Salisbury, North Carolina. Check out our website or give us a call if you have any questions or need any more information. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you with the next industry standard setting machine from Blasted All. Have a nice day.